Carpet cleaners are specialized machines used to clean carpets and remove dirt, stains, allergens, and odors from carpeted surfaces. Our homes and businesses stand as beacons of efficiency and excellence in maintaining aesthetic appeal and hygiene. This advanced cleaning device brings your carpets to life, ensuring a clean, hygienic, and inviting environment for all. In this video, I will tell you about the 4 best carpet cleaners in the market. I have given the product links in the video description. I hope you will get the best product of your choice, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Number 4 on the list is Bissell Big Green Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. This carpet cleaner will be a great choice for those who are looking for the best overall carpet cleaner in terms of price, quality, durability, and design. One of the best features of this vacuum is the Dirt Lifter Power Brush. With its 8 rows of bristles and powerful suction, this technology works in perfect harmony to remove embedded dirt and stubborn stains from your carpets and upholstery. These bristles work in conjunction with strong suction to penetrate deep into the fibers of your carpet, pulling out dirt and stains. One of the most frustrating aspects of carpet cleaning is constantly refilling and emptying water tanks. This carpet cleaner addresses this issue with its 2 large capacity tanks. These tanks keep clean water and dirty water separate, allowing you to work longer without interruptions. The large capacity of the clean water tank is particularly helpful. This tank has a 1.75-gallon capacity. It can tackle large cleaning tasks without the need for frequent refills. The ergonomically designed handle fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to maneuver the machine. Even during extended cleaning sessions, you will not feel any discomfort or fatigue. This carpet cleaner includes a full-size 48 ounces. This formula is a game changer for pet owners, effectively removing pet stains and odors. It is a dedicated cleaning solution. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, which is dedicated to helping save homeless pets. While you're investing in a cleaner home, you're also making a difference in the lives of animals in need. The Bissell Big Green Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner comes equipped with a 6-inch tough stain tool and a 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool. These tools make it easy to tackle stubborn stains on carpets, stairs, and upholstery. The 9-foot-long reach hose and 25-foot power cord provide extra reach and easy maneuverability. You can easily access stairs, upholstery, or other hard-to-reach places to clean. The flow indicator is a small but helpful feature that monitors water and solution levels, letting you know when it's time to check the tank. This ensures you can maintain optimal cleaning performance without any guesswork. The Bissell Big Green Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner is a must-have for pet owners and anyone looking to maintain a clean and fresh home environment. Number 3 on the list is Hoover Power Dash Pet Advanced Carpet Cleaner. If you want to buy a carpet cleaner at the best budget, this cleaner will be the best choice. It is a compact, cleaner, powerful carpet washer designed for carpets and various other surfaces. One of the best features of this carpet cleaner is its ability to power through tough pet messes. The power spin brushes effectively scrub away stubborn stains, while the strong suction ensures a deep and thorough clean. Brushes work diligently to lift embedded dirt and stains. This compact cleaner isn't just for your carpets. With its included tools and attachments, you can extend your cleaning to stairs, upholstery, rugs, and more. It can deal with different surfaces and will make your whole house look fresh. The lightweight and compact design of this carpet cleaner makes it incredibly easy to use and maneuver. Its low-profile feet make it easy to clean under tight spaces. Also, the larger clean water tank reduces the frequency of refills during cleaning. Nobody wants to wait for carpets to dry after cleaning. The heat force technology in this carpet cleaner speeds up the drying process, so you can get back to your daily routine faster. No more long waiting times for your carpets to be usable again. For pet owners, dealing with pet stains can be a challenge. Power Dash Pet Advanced Carpet Cleaner is equipped with a power spin pet brush roll and a specially formulated paw and claw cleaning solution, which effectively tackles and lifts pet stains, leaving carpets fresh and clean. Hygiene is a top priority, especially when dealing with pet messes. The brush roll of this carpet cleaner is embedded with an antimicrobial additive, effectively preventing the buildup of bacteria and pet odors. This not only keeps your home cleaner, but also ensures the durability of the machine. The 2-in-1 pet tool with bristle and rubber nub attachments provides the versatility you need to handle various types of pet messes effortlessly. It simplifies the cleaning process and allows you to target the right clean for every mess. Investing in a Hoover Power Dash Pet Advanced Compact Carpet Cleaner is a step toward a cleaner, fresher home, especially if you have pets. Number 2 on the list is Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner. This carpet cleaner is best for portable. One of the best features of the SpotClean Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner is its versatility. It works effectively on various surfaces like carpets, stairs, upholstery, and even auto interiors. This makes it a convenient all-in-one solution for your home's various cleaning needs. What sets this cleaner apart is its combination of superior suction, scrubbing action, and specially formulated Bissell cleaning solutions. This ensures a deep and thorough clean, removing embedded dirt and stubborn pet stains effectively. The result is a thorough and deep clean that leaves your surfaces looking and feeling refreshed. The SpotClean Pet Pro tackles this problem by utilizing the power of Oxy to permanently remove tough pet stains, ensuring your carpets and upholstery are not only clean, but also free of lingering odors. The package includes a stain trapper tool and a 3-inch tough stain tool that can effectively tackle a variety of stains. This feature is a game changer for maintaining a fresh and inviting home. With a 5-foot hose and a 20-foot power cord, reach those hard-to-reach places that are accessible. This means it can easily clean tight corners or areas away from power sources. Plus, the large capacity tank eliminates the hassle of refilling during your cleaning session. The Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro comes with 2 trial-size bottles of Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator formula. This formula is specially designed to tackle tough pet stains and odors, making it ideal for households with furry friends. When you purchase this product, you're also supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation, which helps save homeless pets. Bissell provides a 2-year limited warranty. The cleaning performance and versatility of the Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner will impress you. Its versatility, powerful cleaning performance, specialized pet stain cleaning capabilities, and contribution to a worthy cause make it a compelling choice for those seeking professional cleaning results in a compact and convenient design. Number 1 on the list is Hoover SmartWash Pet Automatic Carpet Cleaner. This carpet cleaner has automatic cleaning technology. The intuitive design allows you to simply push forward to clean and pull back to dry, mimicking the ease of vacuuming. This eliminates the need for complicated maneuvers, making carpet cleaning a breeze for anyone. One of the best features is the Spot Chaser Pre-Treat Spray Wand. This removable handle comes with a separate solution tank, empowering you to target and pre-treat set and pet stains effectively. The Oxy formula packed within this wand works wonders in combating tough stains, ensuring a thorough cleaning process. The Hoover Smart Wash Pet Carpet Cleaner features an auto mix function that precisely mixes and dispenses the cleaning solution. This automation ensures an optimal carpet washing experience, saving you time and effort. The auto dry button is another advantage feature, providing powerful extraction and heat force for faster drying. Not only does this increase the efficiency of the cleaning process, but it also dries your carpets, allowing you to resume your routine sooner. The dual tank system keeps the water and cleaning solutions separate from the dirty water tank, ensuring a clean and hygienic operation. The trigger-less design is a game changer, offering a deep clean with utmost ease comparable to the simplicity of vacuuming. Designed with pet owners in mind, this carpet cleaner incorporates antimicrobial FlexForce pet power brushes. These brushes not only remove deep-down dirt, but also resist pet odors, leaving your carpets clean and fresh. This carpet cleaner also comes with an antimicrobial scrubbing tool, ideal for handling pet stains on stairs or furniture. This ensures that no corner is left unclean, providing a thorough cleaning experience throughout your home. Hoover offers a generous 5-year limited warranty, highlighting the durability and reliability of this carpet cleaner. The Hoover Smart Wash Pet Automatic Carpet Cleaner offers a remarkable solution for pet owners and anyone looking for a hassle-free carpet cleaning experience. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Your feedback is highly appreciated. See you in the next video.